Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in Mathematics 3, ordering numbers up to 5,000. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, Math Explorers. I'm so excited to see all of your bright faces today. Put all your thinking caps and grab your magic pencils because today we aren't just doing math, we are becoming number detectives. Discuss the answers to assessment 2. Lesson purpose intention. To order numbers up to 5,000 from smallest or least to the largest or greatest and vice versa. Lesson language practice.
Of comparison, greater than, used when the first number is larger than the second. Less than, used when the first number is smaller than the second. Equal to, used when two numbers have the exact same value. Reading the key idea stem. To order numbers up to 5,000 from smallest to the largest and vice versa. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Let us read the given situation. Situation 1. 4 children collected used paper sheets for the recycling project of the school. Here are the table of the following. The name: Rina collected 256. Matt collected 98. Alex collected 2,340, while Girly collected 1,395. If you arrange the numbers of used paper sheets collected from smallest or least to largest or greatest, what will be the proper order? Today, you are going to arrange numbers from smallest to largest, and vice versa. What do we mean when we say the least number? The least number is the number with the smallest value in a given set. What do we mean when we say the greatest number? The greatest number is the number with the largest value in a given set. What does it mean to arrange the numbers from least to greatest? It means arranging the numbers from one with the smallest value to the one with the largest value. When the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, they are said to be in increasing or ascending order. Conversely, when the numbers are arranged in increasing or ascending order, they are arranged from least to greatest. Arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Which of the number is the least and why? It is 98 because it has only 2 digits, while the other numbers have either 3 or 4 digits. This means it is the only number less than 100. Which of the remaining numbers should be placed next, and why? It is 256 because it has 3 digits, while the other two numbers have 4 digits. This means it is less than 1000, while the other two numbers are greater than 1000. Which of the 4-digit numbers should be placed next and why? It is 1395 because its leftmost digits, or the thousandth digit, is smaller than of 2340. The value of 1 in 1395 is 1000, while the value of 2 in 2340 is 2000. If we will list the children who collected newspaper sheets from the smallest to the largest number, the order will be Matt, Rina, Girly, and Alex. What if I have this number, 251? Where should it be placed and why? It should be placed between 98 and 256. The number 251 is less than 256 because its ones digit is less than that of 256. So, 251 should be placed before 256. Now, the number 251 greater than 98 because the value of its leftmost digit is 200, which is greater than 98. Besides, 251 has 3 digits as compared to 98, which has 2 digits, so 98 should be placed before 251. The expected answers are from smallest to largest. We have 98, 251, 256, 1305, and 2340. If these same numbers are to be arranged from largest to smallest, simply reverse the order by arranging them from right to left. 2340, 1395, 256, 251, and 98. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. What does it mean to arrange the number from largest to smallest? It means arranging the numbers from one with the largest value to the one with the smallest value. When the numbers are arranged from greatest to least, they are said to be in decreasing or descending order. Conversely, when the numbers are arranged in decreasing or descending order, they are arranged from greatest to least. Which of the number is the greatest and why? We learned that numbers with more digits is greater. First, we consider the number with the largest number of digits. There are 3 4-digit numbers. The number 3490 is the smallest or the least among the 3 numbers because its thousandth digit is only 3 compared to the other 2 numbers which have 4 as their thousandth digit. Next, we consider the numbers with 4 as their thousands digit, which are 4,694 and 4,656. Both numbers have the same digit in the thousands place and hundreds place, so we compare the tens digit. The tens digit of 4,694 is larger than that of 4,656, so 4,694 is greater than 4,656. This means that the greatest number is 4,694, followed by 4,656, and then 3,490. Which of the remaining two numbers should be placed next and why? The remaining two numbers are both 3-digit numbers, so we consider the numbers which has a larger leftmost or hundreds digit. The number 985 has a larger hundreds digit than 598, so it is larger. 985, 598. So 985 is to be placed after 3,490, followed by 598. What if I have this number 85? Where should it be placed in the arrangement and why? It should be placed at the last or after 598. The number 85 has 2 digits as compared to 598, which has 3 digits. Also, the value of the leftmost digit of 598 is 500, which is larger than 85. So 85 is less than 598. If the same numbers are to be arranged from smallest least to largest, largest to greatest, simply reverse the order by arranging them from right to left. Making generalization and abstractions. What does it mean when we arrange number from smallest to largest? It means that we are arranging the number in increasing or ascending order of value. What does it mean when we arrange numbers from largest to smallest? It means that we are arranging the numbers in decreasing or descending order or value. How do we order numbers? One strategy would be to separate or group the numbers according to the number of or digits. Then, compare the numbers within each group and arrange them according to the given condition, smallest to largest or vice versa. Evaluating learning. Part 1. Arrange the following numbers from the smallest value to the largest value. Start by comparing the numbers with fewer digits, then look at the hundreds and thousands place. For Part 2, arrange the following numbers from the largest value to the smallest value. The number with the most digits goes first. If the thousands are the same, compare the hundreds. Here are the expected answer. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.